Hi everybody, this is Pat in the paper closet. Today we're going to be working on what I'm calling a, on-the-go weekly planner. This is very simple, just contains weekly plans, undated, holds 1 year, and it's very simple to take with you. It's not a whole organizer or traveler's notebook, just a simple 53 weeks in a simple cover. Fits in your purse or your backpack. Very easy to take with you and use. Now I've made this so that there are 4 sets of boxes for each day. So you could set it up so you have like work, family, say birthdays or meetings for dinner. And you could have sports activities or just children's activities where you can put the appointment or the games, dates, times. And then you have an extra box for whatever you need. So it comes in handy. You can put birthdays in here, put them under family. You have work over here, things that are expected to be done by a certain time. So it holds everything in one simple book. Now I've used several of these. In order to store them, I just put them on a jump band, I'm sorry. And then they're connected. And I just save them like this, so I can look anything up. What date I did what, where I went, whose birthdays or when. So that's what we're going to work on today. Before we get started, I'm going to go over what we've made recently. We made our bookmarks. We made 4 bookmarks. Very fun. All you need is scrap paper and embellishments, little tags. Very simple to make. I still haven't gotten the ribbon. This is what it's going to look like when I get the ribbon. I would say put maybe a 10-inch piece of ribbon and then loop it through. And then this way you have the ribbon to stick out the end of your book. So those are the bookmarks that we made. We also made an easel card. This was the card that stands up. Very simple, folds right back up. So we have 2 of those. And we also made the notepad holder, which is very handy. Keep all your notes in it. So if you're looking for the videos for any of these, they're on my channel. You can just go back and watch the videos. And today we'll be making the planner. I just wanted to take a minute to show you how, if you're watching a video on a channel and you want to see other videos that were made by that channel, for instance, this is my channel, playing a video. You want to see what other videos I have. You click down here. See right here where my mouse is pointing. It says in the paper closet. That's my channel. So to get to my videos, you click on in the paper closet or whatever name of the channel. You click on videos, and that takes you to a page that shows you all the videos that are on my channel. Now right now I have this zoomed in so they're looking pretty big. Normally they're about 4 or 5 across. They're smaller. But that's how you would get to them. And then if you wanted, say you want to save that channel so you can get back to it, all you do is See up here, these two little, what looks to me like eye pins. You put your mouse on the eye pins. Hold the left mouse button down and drag it, and I've created a folder on my computer that says YT channels, YouTube channels, and I just drop it in there. So when I want to view a YouTube video of another channel, you just click on that and the channel will be listed, and you'll open it. It'll take you directly to the videos. Now the way I created that folder, I right-clicked on my screen. Now this is for a Windows computer. Go to New. You click on Folder. It says New Folder. You would type in here whatever you want to name it, YT channels or whatever, and then you would have it made. So that way you can always get back to the videos. Now I don't know what I just changed here, but my zoom. Okay, just wanted to show you that. Maybe you were curious. I know I mentioned going and watching other videos, so that's how you would get to them. So thank you. Be right back. Okay, I'm back. Let's put these things aside. And here's everything we need for our planner. We have the outer cover, a little tab on it. This is the first page, which we need, because if we don't have a page that's blank on the back, then our first week would only start with a Thursday. So we print this page first, and all the other pages will go inside of that. And when we print, we need 4 groups of 5 pages. That's how I always do it, so I can cut them easily. These I've cut already. And then we have 1 group of 6 pages, because all of this adds up to 52 weeks. And then we have the 1 extra week if we need it on the back of our cover page. So it's actually 53 weeks. All right, so I've cut these already. They are 4 by 8. 4 by 8. So I have this group left to cut. I'm just going to get my paper cutter. Using my guillotine cutter again. Oh, sorry, I moved the camera. This cutter is just too big. Okay, so we're going to cut at 4. A little bit over 4. It won't quite be on this line. You see this line? I'm going to move over. You can see. The line that I've made is a little bit over too far. It'll stick out of your book. So we're going to go a little over 4. Cut. Ooh, that was a loud one. And then we're going to go to 8. No, it's not 8, I'm sorry. It's 7 5/8. That one we cut right on the bottom line. So that's our last one. So we have all 4. So now we just have to stack them all together. Find the middle. Put in the next stack. Find your middle again. Not very easy. Put in your next stack. Find your next middle. So you have all 5 stacks in there, which will equal 26 pages or 52 weeks. Okay, our last one in the middle. And here's our cover. This I've made on my graphics program. You can either This is, get my ruler, a lot easier. And get the cutter out of my way. Okay. The cover measures 8 inches wide, or 8 1/8 actually. So it'll overlap your pages. 8 1/8 wide by 7 3/4 long. And then all you're going to do is you print it, cut it out, fold it in half, carefully on your, match up the edges, and then you'll put in your weekly planner, cover page, and then you put in all your pages we just cut and folded. Now for this one I'm just going to use a piece of elastic, much like in a traveler's notebook. I'm going to cut this at a little over 12 inches. This is a 2 millimeter elastic that we use for the traveler's notebooks. Okay, so take our elastic, find the center of your book. The center. Flip your elastic around. Well, we could have just tied it. We'll just tie it. In a good knot. Okay, pull it real tight. You don't want it opening up. Okay, with the knot on the inside, slip it over the back of the book, the front of the book, to the center. And there's your notebook, your planner, on-the-go planning. Very simple to carry around with you. Trying to get my knot into the center of the book there. Okay, there it is. So now you have your undated weekly planner. You would start whenever you want, whatever date you want. You put the dates above the day of the week. Write the month at the top. And you could put the year in the corner if you want, and use them as you wish. Now with mine, I had made photos. I had put photos in, much like doing a regular planner. There it is. See, I just printed little photos, small photos that would fit in the boxes. Here I had stickers for the boxes. These little stickers, which I wrote information on. You can put them in there. So, very useful. Very easy to carry with you. Rather than carry a whole organizer or planner or traveler's notebook filled with notebooks. You only have one notebook. You can write the date on here that you started, when you finish it, and then you have a record. Okay, well, I hope you find that interesting. Now for anyone who, I have all these pages as PDFs. It's 3 pages. There's the cover, there's the cover page with a calendar on the back, and then there's this page. So you print 26 double-sided of these, Now on your printer you'd have to figure it out because it depends on how your paper comes out of your printer to insert it to the second side to print. But it doesn't take much, a couple of tries and you'll find it. I find the setting on my printer that works best is if I set it to exact size, not fit to, what is it, printable area. So if you put it to exact size, they'll print very evenly, spaced in between on both sides of the paper. You put it in, print five copies, take them out, turn them around in the direction that works for your printer, and you print the second copy on the back of those. So you'll do that for 4 sections of 5 and 1 section of 6. Now in order to get the PDFs, all I ask you to do is subscribe to my channel and then send me an email to inthepapercloset@gmail.com telling me you subscribed, and send me your email address and I could send them to you. There'll be three pages, 1, 2, and 3. And that's all you need to make this. Okay, so I hope you try it, so please subscribe. And please hit the like button below. That helps me get more views and more subscribers. And so subscribe and send me an email and I will send you those copies out. Okay, I hope you have a good day. Thank you for coming, and I'll see you soon. Thank you.